Welcome to the course Wireless Network Unit 1 Wireless LAN. The objective of this video lecture is to understand the concept of Zigbee and 6LoWPAN. Topic is Zigbee and 6LoWPAN. Zigbee is a wireless technology developed for open global standard to address the need of unique small devices with low power. So Zigbee protocol is developed for small device with a low power, and these devices, small devices, may be a part of the IoT network, Internet of Technology. And then Zigbee standard operates on the IEEE standard, that is 802.11.4. Okay, then and it operates on the frequency, unlicensed frequency band, that is 2.4 gigahertz or otherwise 900 megahertz or 868 megahertz. The Zigbee 3.0 protocol is designed and it can work even in the noisy RF environment, because when these devices, small devices, are used in the industry application where the noise is very common, so the protocol Zigbee 3.0 protocol specifically, it will work in the even in the noisy RF environment such as commercial and industrial applications. Further, it also ensures that this 3.0 Zigbee 3.0 protocol ensures that interoperability. Again, this is another important thing. Interoperability means the device manufactured by different manufacturer will have same specification, should have same specification for communication purpose. So this Zigbee 3.0 certification scheme ensures the interoperability of products from the different manufacturer. And also we can connect these Zigbee devices to the IP domain, Internet Protocol domain. So directly we can monitor and control the devices that is far away from our smartphone and tablets. And we know that internet will be connected to again LAN, WAN, again internet. Okay, then Zigbee is also used along with the internet, that is Internet of Things. Next, some of the Zigbee applications are mentioned here. Okay, see, Zigbee enables broad-based deployment of wireless network with low cost and low power solution, and also it has the ability to run for many years. Due to the inexpensive batteries. Okay, for the small system. Okay, for monitoring and control application. And then Zigbee protocol used in the smart energy or smart grid meter. That means monitoring the electricity bill, okay, over the internet. That is smart energy or smart grid meter, the automatic meter reading, and also for lighting control, and then building automation system, then tank monitoring, and then monitoring of medical devices specifications. Okay, so these are all some of the Zigbee applications. Next, what is the future of the Zigbee protocol? It supports the multiple network topology. That means like point-to-point or point-to-multi-point or mesh network or various other type of networks, ring network, like that. Next, it has the low duty cycle. If it has low duty cycle, again that battery will last for a long time, okay, due to the low duty cycle. And then it has low delay, low latency. The delay is less, and it uses the DSS, direct sequence spread spectrum, so that the interference will be minimized. Okay, even though as it is unlicensed spectrum, okay, as we are using the DSS, direct sequence spread spectrum technique. Okay, it's one of the CDMA technique, so that there will be a less number of the interference will be less, even though all the users are using the same frequency. And then here we can use up to 65,000 nodes using Zigbee protocol, and it uses 128 AES encryption, that is advanced encryption standard. Okay, 128-bit AES standard is used for security of data. AES algorithm is utilized. Okay, 128-bit AES algorithm. Next, and then it provides collision avoidance. Okay, and then retries and acknowledgement. Suppose when we are sending data from one unit to another unit, if the data is missing or if the data is lost in the midway, again it looks for the acknowledgement, or otherwise it retries. Once again it will send the data. Next, we'll see about 6LoWPAN. 6LoWPAN means IP version 6 over low power personal wireless low power wireless personal area network. Wireless personal area network. Okay, so it is the name of the group that is available in the internet area, that is IETF, Internet Task Force. Okay, Internet of Engineering Task Force, IETF. Okay, then this concept is mainly originated because how to connect directly these low power devices to the internet. That is the idea behind this concept. 6LoWPAN. 6LoWPAN. See, the 6LoWPAN concept originated from the idea that the internet protocol could and should be applied even to the smallest devices, and then low power devices, even to the smallest and low power devices with limited processing capability. So when we want to integrate these low power devices straight away to the internet, again already internet is using either IP version 6 protocol or IP version 4 protocol. Again, we need to define proper encapsulation technique. Okay, encapsulations and header compression mechanism and all we have to follow, so that then only it will communicate with the IP version 6 network straight away. Okay, see, again the communication has to happen from two different protocol, that is from IP version 6 to again IEEE 802.15.4 based network. This the LoWPAN is also operating on the IEEE 802.15.4, that means personal area network protocol, Zigbee protocol. And then we know that this IP version 4 and IP version 6 mostly utilized for the delivery of data between the local area network, metropolitan area network, and then wide area network, and then inter-network. Then what are all the application areas? Okay, where we can use this 6LoWPAN. Okay, see, wherever where we need the wireless internet connectivity for a smaller devices, even at a low data rate. Okay, we need internet connectivity, not at high speed. Okay, at a very low speed. Why? Because these devices will be having very low battery, only very low battery, so they cannot operate on very high speed, or otherwise the battery will not last for a long time. And there are some application which needs very less data rate, that is, say for example home automation, and then entertainment application in home, office, and factory environment. And also this protocol we can use in the smart grid. Okay, just now we have seen, okay, electricity billing, okay, automatic electricity billing, smart grid enabling the smart meters, okay, and other devices, okay, to build a micro mesh network. So that means what is actually happening here, when we install the smart grid meter, okay, each and every meter will have will form a mesh network, when they are close together, they will form a mesh network, they will communicate information with each other. Finally, this information will be communicated to the IP version 6. Okay, IP version 6 to the internet. Okay, to the internet via IP version 6. And then what are all the functionalities? Again, it has to adapt the packet sizes, because IP version 6 will be having some different packet size, and then this IEEE 802.15.4 will be having some different packet size. So it must adapt themselves when we are integrating the 6LoWPAN along with IPv6. Again, we have to take care of the packet sizes conversion. And then address resolution. Okay, see, IP version 6 in general uses 128-bit IP address, whereas IP version 4, it uses 32-bit IP address. And then we'll be using some different type of addressing scheme in the 6LoWPAN. Okay, say for example, it may use IEEE 68-bit extended address or 16-bit address. Again, then there need to be address resolution. Okay, when the information flows from these kind of small devices to the internet, again there should be an address resolution. And then differing device design. Device design means these devices, 6LoWPAN, are low power devices. Low power devices operates on battery. Okay, so in such a way only we have to design these devices. But if you see the IP version 6 devices, straight away it will be connected to the mains power supply. So those design will be somewhat different. Again, design point of view also we have to concentrate. Okay, the devices that we are designing on this protocol IEEE 802.15.4 should take only low power. Okay, should consume low power. So in such a way we have to design such that there is reduced power consumption. That means allowing battery power devices and allowing flexibility in the installation. Installation means there will be many number of small devices. Okay, that will form a network. Okay, so there should be the flexibility in the installation also. Whereas in the case of IP version 6 devices, okay, on the other hand, it will have wired connection also sometime, and then there is no constraint on that because straight away it will be connected to the main power supply. Again, security point of view, this IEEE 802.11.4 can operate either in the secure mode or in the non-secure mode. In general, there are two types of security mode here. One is here the are defined in the specification. Okay, there are two security mode. One is with the access control list and another one is with the secure mode. Okay, so now finally we will see the comparison or difference between the Zigbee and 6LoWPAN operating frequency. So it operates on the 2.4 gigahertz or 915 megahertz or 868 megahertz. But whereas 6LoWPAN is only operating on the 2.4 gigahertz. Maximum outdoor range, Zigbee has 500 meter, whereas LoWPAN has only low range, 200 meter only. Maximum data rate here 250 kbps, here 200 kbps. Maximum number of nodes in case of Zigbee, we can use up to 64K, that is around 65,536. Here only we can use up to 100 nodes. Interoperability is high, here it is low. Okay, so these are all the some comparison and difference between the Zigbee and 6LoWPAN. The reference is from the Wikipedia and internet. Thank you.